We'd like to introduce you to the Workshop Stages panel in Autologica DMS. This is an essential tool that gives the service manager an overview of what's happening in the workshop and lets the workshop manager quickly organize jobs and assign them to technicians. The main dashboard summarizes open repair orders grouped by the stage they're in. You can filter the focus, for example, on a specific store or job type. As each repair order progresses, it will automatically move from stage to stage. If you click on a stage, you can see the repair orders that are at that stage. Those repair orders may move to a different stage because of specific actions within the DMS or can be manually dragged to a different stage by the user. You can also see details for each repair order, such as the invoice number, date, customer, time codes, and more.